Ha. Two hungry brothers do it like no other. Your mother, come on. Liquid, Southern Belle. Lucifer had a halo when he fell from the clouds. Just because they call it horny don't mean it ain't allowed. Are you lost in the sinning? Is a preacher less holy if he's lost in the women? We all need forgiving, or better yet forgetting. This 10% of nothing's worth about half a shilling. They say my soul is priceless, that's about even. Let's sing hallelujah, no need for grieving. These spirits, I bind them in the name of Jehovah Jireh. I'm married to religion but keeping my Kyra. Preacher, preacher, please touch my frontal lobe. If my id won't submit to your ultimate control, commence to baptize, get some holy wine, and bust down the walls of Jericho this one time. Is a prophet not a man or a woman in existence? So why the complex of deity mortalism? Signing up for fraud, 700 club, $700 for a stitch prayer rug. Dig into your pocket, search your purses and wallets. You can buy into heaven, kinda like the stock market.